Did you know some moths can smell a mate from over 6 miles away? Male moths have super-sensitive antennae packed with sensors designed to detect female pheromones in the air. These scent signals travel on the wind, and males can track them with incredible precision. Their antennae are so advanced they can detect a single molecule among billions. This astonishing sense of smell helps them find mates in dense forests or over long distances in the night sky. For moths, romance is literally in the air. Nature has its own version of long-distance dating. Like and subscribe for more.